All right, welcome back to my video. So today's focus is how to practice combinations and make your hands and arms quick, okay, as you are fighting with your opponent. Come on in, Daniel. So today I'm gonna work with Daniel on a punching pad, okay? And in karate, you know, we do a lot of kata, and then in kata, as you already saw, you know, we do kata and we stop, and you know, we do the next move and then we stop. In a fighting situation, obviously there's no time to stop, right? The only time to stop is actually when you move back away from your opponent. That's when, you know, you stop because your opponent cannot reach you, right? But in reality, you want to keep on going. And not just only you, probably your opponent want to keep on going too, okay? So how do you practice quick hands that when he comes at you fast, that you're able to react and punch back, okay? So these are some of the combinations that I want to share with you, okay? So that's the first one. So let's say it's fighting stance here, opponent come, you want to go double punch. So that's the same thing as in, I guess, boxing, right? You go double punch, right? You go double punch. Now, I am, if you have seen my video long enough, you notice that I like the rule of three, right? You always do a combinations of three because two, they can block or they can move, but three is pretty much going to be difficult for them. But you go 4 or 5, forget it. It makes no point because I don't think you have that stamina to go, you know, 4 or 5 moves at the same time, okay? So here goes the 3. So let's, first one is double punch, elbow, okay? So we go here, 1, 2, bam, right? So we go, bam. So always move forward into your opponent. As you fight with your opponent, he's coming, you go 1, bam, and from here you punch him already, right? And then follow with this and body sink in, bam, okay? We go, bam, okay? Again, okay? So that's the hand. Now, the other type of elbow is we go 1, 2, right? And then 3, okay? We go 1, 2, and 3, okay? We go in, okay? Go in, all right? Every time when we punch, right now you see me punch on the pad, but in reality, you want to punch the person's face, okay? So just imagine his face. You go 1, 2, and in this way, okay? 1, 2, in, okay? And also concentrate on punching when you moving in. So let's put this to the side a little bit. Let's take let go of the pad. So when you think about moving in, so let's say he's putting hands up like this, right? You want to go this 1, see how I go this? 1, bam, 2, see? I go 1, bam, and then from here, I want to go in close to his body, okay? See how I trap into his body? So I go, bam, trap into his body, right? He's up, bam, see, bam, trap to his body, okay? Don't go in to his center line. You want to go outside of his body, and then you trap. You go into his center line, that's disaster, okay? So those are the 2 elbow. It's holding again. Now, next one, we're gonna do the knee, okay? We go 1, 2, knee, okay? We go 1, 2, knee, okay? We go 1, 2, knee. So here I'm holding a pad. Again, I'm holding his head. 1, 2, here, I go outside, head, okay? So let's put the pad down so the audience can see what we're doing. So from here, right? See, he'll pop. See his hands up, bam, bam, right? Even let's say he put his hand this way, punch through the hand, bam, right? Just through the hand, bam, outside. And then grab to his head on the outside, bam, this way, right? We go, bam, bam, zoom, okay? Again, go, bam, bam, boom, okay? Now the other combination. So from here, same thing, all starts out with double, right? We go 1, 2, and from here, bam, right? We go this way. 1, 2, bam, break the knee, okay? I'm gonna kick outside because I don't want to hurt Daniel, but you can see the point. 1, 2, bam, right? Go low. We go here high and then low this way. Go low. So without pad, put the pad down. So we're gonna go move to the middle. So we go this way. 1, 2, see that? And then from here, see his knee? Bam, break. We go pop, pop, break, right? We go pop, pop, break. Okay? We go pop, pop, break. Okay? You want to distract the top and then you break the bottom. It's crucial, okay? So these are the kind of combinations here that you want to implement into your training. See what you think about it. Let me know your comment below, and please share your thoughts and what else you want to see. What you like what you see, please click like, subscribe as well. So then you come back on, and here goes to review without the pad. We go this way here, right? We go 1, 2, bam, elbow. First one, okay? The middle. We go 1, 2, bam, okay? Next one, 1, 2, bam, okay? Third one, 1, 2, bam, okay? Fourth one, 1, 2, bam, okay? So, all right, so I'm gonna put everything into a quicker pace. So let's say fighting stance here. We go, boom, boom, boom. That's the first one, okay? Second one, boom, boom, boom. Okay? Third one, boom, boom. Okay, here we go. Fourth one, boom, bah. All right, so I hope you like what you saw. Please click like, subscribe, and I'll see you in these videos.